Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check battery temperature via Ampere app on XREAL Beam Pro. Check battery temperature, go to Play Store and search for Ampere. Then click on Install. Open. Okay, consent. And here is the battery temperature as well as other data, and if you want to change the unit of battery temperature, then click here on settings icon in top right corner, then basic settings, and click here once and then go back, and the unit has been changed. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.